everyone, it's Tammy, and I did a little bit of shopping on Black Friday, including ordering a package from the Knot House in Frederick, Maryland. You can find this at knothousyarns.com, and it's spelled KNOTHOUSEYARNS.com. And they have a wonderful podcast called The Knot House that can be found on YouTube, and it's a mother and daughter who own and operate a yarn store in Frederick, Maryland, and they have some wonderful yarns in beautiful patterns. Oh my goodness. And I ordered some shibui from them. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Whew, I am breathing, but I am excited. This is what their YouTube looks like. Okay, I have never had shibui before, but I have heard wonderful things, and they sent a little washables. This is a no rinse delicate wash eucalyptus. I haven't used this before, but that is very nice. I appreciate that very much. I use the wool wash for sure. And a sweet little card. Oh my goodness. And look, there's two little things on here. Thanks so much for your order. Great colors. If there's anything else I can help you with, please just let me know. Hope you have a great holiday. Kathy from the Knot House. How sweet is this? I cannot tell you how wonderfully sweet this is. Oh my goodness. It is personalized. Oh my goodness. That is just amazing to me. Amazing. Thank you so much, Kathy. I feel like I know you from watching your podcasts. It is amazing. So hopefully I will do you justice by showing everyone what I got. And hopefully if anyone goes there, tell them that TT.Scraps sent you. So shibui, I have never used this. I hadn't even heard of this until I've started watching podcasts, but hopefully you guys can see the beautiful halo on this. This is 100% extra fine merino, and this is the color Bordeaux. There's 262 yards, and this is on a 3.5 millimeter. It's 50 grams. This is $15 per skein, and it is gorgeous. And I know that this was on sale for Black Friday, so this is really thin yarn, at least to me. I think this is considered fingering weight, at least that's what I think I would call it. And this is in the color Birch. And I kind of thought when I was doing it, when I was looking online, that maybe this color would go. And then the more I thought about it, I thought differently. So I ordered a separate one of these, and I ordered some yarn to go with this. So hopefully this will all match, because I don't think that that would go very well together. Although I'm really not sure, because this is Shibui Silk Cloud. And I don't know if any of you guys have heard of this, but it is gorgeous. And on a few podcasts, they use this all the time, and you can see the halo on this. It is just amazing, and it feels like I'm not holding anything at all. Floating in the sky, a moon, together we give the sun a sister. 60% kid mohair and 40% silk. This is lace weight, 330 yards and 25 grams, and it says to hold this on a 4.5 millimeter. So, but this is lace weight. This was $24 for this, so it's not an inexpensive yarn, and I know that it was on sale as well, but it is not at all inexpensive. It's quite spendy, but you get a lot. How many? I said 330 yards. So, I mean, that's a lot of yardage for one skein of yarn. And what I've seen people do is hold this with this to make a sweater or a hat or whatever, and it makes it extra soft and fluffy and furry, and it just looks amazing. And honestly, I don't think those two colors would look that bad together, but I think I have another color coming that's even going to be better. So we shall see, and I will show you guys, I'm sure, in my podcast, but I had to get my hands on some shibui. since it was on sale, and I just couldn't pass it up. So I am excited. I'm super thrilled to have gotten something from the Knot House just because I admire them and their shop. And gosh, if I'm ever in Maryland, I am going to have to stop by. But I hope that you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope that you guys check them out at the Knot House. Thank you. Bye-bye.